Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story of one of our students, SAURAV SHEKHAR. So, SAURAV SHEKHAR have done his B.S.M.S. integrated program from ISER Mohali in the area of biological sciences. He was preparing regularly at our Delhi center in the offline mode as well as in the online mode. In that series, he was giving the entrances as well as interview of many universities and other places. In that process, he qualified the entrance as well as interview at Central University of Rajasthan in the Department of Environmental Sciences and got selected for finally PhD program. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S. Science Foundation would like to congratulate SAURAV SHEKHAR and wish him good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, Institute is offering offline program for NET-JRF December 2023 at Delhi Center, live online program via Zoom across the globe. Apart from that, correspondence with video and only correspondence program is also available for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences, in which the people who are working, they can also study at their choice. Along with that, the GATE Institute is offering two programs, GATE Ecology Evolution and Environmental Science and Engineering. Institute is also providing the CUET PG program for the people who are targeting masters in life science domain or environmental science domain. Institute also providing a technical program called as data analysis in life sciences or environmental sciences, which is for the gap filling process of industry and academia, where the essential technical skill is needed so that the people can have advantage in their PhD program as well as job. All other entrances such as CPCB and HPCB is also being covered and guided for the interview program and proposal as well. So those who are interested, they can reach us as early as possible on the given numbers and email IDs. Once again, we would like to congratulate SAURAV SHEKHAR for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.